Hey guys, what's up? I'm Christian Taylor and I bought Apple AirPods. And I'm an Android user. Like, I used to make fun of these things so hard. I just didn't understand the point until I bought a phone without a headphone jack and well, that's when I bought them. The amount of times friends would razz me hard when I wanted to buy these. So dude, I know I have an Android phone, but I think I'm gonna buy AirPods.
You're gonna buy AirPods for your Android device? You gotta be kidding me. That's like buying a 3.5mm headphone jack headphone for an iPhone 10. Like, come on, dude. They're literal straight up cancer. The toothpicks out of your ears. You gotta be kidding me, dude. I don't care if everyone wears them. They have an iPhone. It works with the ecosystem, not Android. You're a tech YouTuber. Who do you think you are? You're horrible. Jeez. You're a disgrace to society.
Well, you know what? You're wrong, and I'm gonna tell you why. Number one, I like to hear my surroundings. So I have this weird quirk to me where I'm just very uncomfortable if I can't hear my surroundings. And both headphones and earbuds with the gels in it make it to where you cannot really hear your surroundings. Now I know this is a perk to a lot of people, but to me, it's not a perk. I mean, you just don't know what's happening around you if you can't hear. AirPods are almost like wearing open back headphones. You just hear your music, but you also hear your sound. You can hear people talking, you can hear ambient noises in the room or outside. You could hear if a car is about to run over you if you're walking on the sidewalk or whatever. I just really enjoy being able to hear my surroundings. Number two, the battery life is better than the alternatives. So AirPods are so convenient. The case is tiny. Like, I carry them every day in the same pocket as my wallet and it does not even bother me. And that charging case though can provide you up to 24 hours of additional listening time. Yeah. That is very impressive and something that the bigger, chunkier cases of the alternative cannot offer. And did I forget to mention how premium that case is? I mean, my gosh, that hinge.
Stop it. Get some help.
I mean, my gosh, the magnetic hinge and the magnets that hold the earbuds in, it's just so addicting to fidget with. It's like a fidget toy in itself. Number three, Apple has a solid reputation. So Apple stands behind their products, and I know that what I buy, they are going to back. It has a 1-year warranty, and we all know how awesome Apple is with replacing products that are broken within the warranty period. And although I would have to cough up some cash if they broke outside of the warranty period, I know Apple will fix them or replace them. I have no doubts about that. And I cannot say the same for the Samsung equivalent. And finally, number five, I am actually happy with the sound quality. Oh, I know the audiophiles are gonna get on to me, but guess what? I consider myself an audiophile. And no, these are not flat. No, these are not amazing. They don't have a great range. However, they sound a lot better than the wired earpods. And for me, that's good enough for casual listening. I bought AirPods for convenience. If I wanted the best sound, I'd go pick up something like the ATH M50X's. Whoa, before this video's over, I know what you commenters are saying, but Christian, what about the W1 chip? And the features don't work on Android because Apple disables it. So when you take the earbuds out of your ear, they don't pause. Let me set something straight. Apple is actually not disabling anything on Android. It's the reverse. Apple has programmed iOS to work with the W1 chip protocol, so the features like taking it out of your ear and pausing work. So what am I saying? This all works on Android. Like, check out this video. There's an app called Air Battery. It's only $1. $1, and it runs in the background of your phone, and when you pop the lid open, it brings up that instant pairing thing just like on iOS. And guess what? When you take the earbuds out of your ear, oh yes baby, they pause. Double tapping to play and pause on the side of the earbud works as well on Android, so with that being said, these can do literally everything on Android that they could do with iOS. And that is pretty cool. So are they worth $159, especially this late into the game? Heck yeah. If you're considering some truly wireless earbuds, I would definitely check these out if you just want convenience and you like to hear your surroundings. So what do you guys think of the AirPods? Do be sure to let me know in the comments down below, and if you like this video, hit that subscribe button and click the bell because the bell loves you. It rings when I release new videos, and that's a good thing. Check out some of my other videos over there, and with that said, I will catch you guys next time.